Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Slim. We are a few days listening about cryptocurrency. Today our topic, how to make money with cryptocurrency in 2024, best strategies. Whose are basics or beginners want to learn or invest or making money from cryptocurrency, they must follow these tables contents to starting their journey. Learn 8 best strategies to make money with cryptocurrency in 2024. These are table of contents. How to start making money with crypto? 8 proven ways to making money with crypto. Number 1, mining. Number 2, staking. Number 3, trading. Number 4, investing. Number 5, lending. Number 6, earning interest. Number 7, affiliate program. Number 8, ICOs. Cryptocurrency has been around for over a decade and it's quickly becoming popular way to make money online. With a recent rise in the value of Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, more and more people are looking for ways to capitalize on this new digital asset. This article will look at 8 proven methods to make money with crypto in 2024 and beyond. Whether a beginner or seasoned investor, you will find something here that you can use to make money with your cryptocurrency investments. Let's dive in. How to start making money with crypto. If you are interested in making money with crypto, the first step is to do your research. It would be best if you understood the different types of cryptocurrencies, the various methods of making money with crypto, and the pros and cons of each. Once you have a good understanding, you can start investing. Finding a reliable and secure way to store your cryptocurrency is equal significant. You can use a hardware wallet, a software wallet, or an online exchange. Whichever you choose, make sure it's secure and you can trust it with your money. Here is 8 proven ways for making money with crypto. Following are the ways to make money with crypto in 2024. Today we are defining only 2 ways for making money with crypto. We describe here one by one for you how you can make money with crypto. Number 1, mining. The most common way to make money with crypto is through mining. Mining varies transactions on the blockchain and adds new blocks of data to the chain. By doing this, miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency for their effort. Mining can be done with specialized hardware or with cloud mining services. You don't need to purchase or maintain hardware with cloud mining, but the rewards are usually lower than with hardware mining. It's important to note that mining cryptocurrency is not easy and requires a lot of electricity. So it's essential to do your research before getting started. The second one, staking. Crypto staking is a method of investing in cryptocurrency that involves holding a certain amount of coins in your wallet for a certain period. By doing this, you are rewarded with a slight interest in your investment. So, you can earn passive income from your crypto investments. The interest you can earn depends on cryptocurrency and the number of coins you are staking. Some cryptocurrencies offer higher rewards than others, so it's crucial to do your research first. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. We will be available tomorrow with the other ways to making money from crypto 2024.